What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Luis. Alright guys, so yesterday I got a package for the Mustang, and honestly guys, I've been smiling like crazy. I'm excited, so instead of talking about it, I'm just gonna show y'all what I got. Look what we got right here guys. As you can tell by the name, BBK. It's an after-cat X-pipe for the Mustang, of course. Right now the setup that I got on the Mustang is stock cats, stock H-pipe, deleted resonator, and Roush axle backs. But before I install this X-pipe guys, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a cold start and probably go down the road and give you guys some revs on the setup that I have right now. And then after, I'll give you guys some revs and a cold start with the new X-pipe. Alright guys, I just got back. The places that I said I was gonna go to so y'all can hear the Mustang, there was workers there and pretty much all the spots that I went to. But other than that guys, let me go ahead and open up the box and show y'all the X-pipe so we can get started on this install. So this is what it looks like. An X-pipe has the BBK lettering right here. This should replace the stock H-pipe that I have on the Mustang. You should be able to use the same clamps that are on the H-pipe, the ones that go in the front and the ones that go at the end as well. I'm going to be using some car ramps. Might have to take off the front lip just because these ramps that I have are a little high, so might need to take that off. If not, I'll just leave it on there. So let me get the ramps guys so we can get started on this install. So it actually did work. It passed. If it had the front lip, guys, it probably would have destroyed the front lip. So thank God I took it off. Let me go ahead and get my tools so I can put this new X-pipe on the Mustang. What's up guys, it's the next day. Sadly, I wasn't able to put on the X-pipe myself. I had to take it to a shop. The reason I wasn't able to do it, guys, was the clamp that's holding the H-pipe and the X-pipe together, the bolts itself were on backwards. So the head, instead of being on the bottom, it was on the top. So I literally couldn't get nothing under there, guys. A wrench, a speed wrench, nothing. So I literally stopped what I was doing and I said, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and take it to a shop. So I went, stayed there for about 10 minutes. I'll show you guys a clip of me there. Damn, we about to do some damage. Got the X-pipe over there. X-pipe. Let's go. While the Mustang was on the lift, they were working on a truck and they were gonna take about an hour, 30 minutes. So I called my sister to come pick me up. Her and her boyfriend needed to go to the bank, so I went with them. And as soon as I got to the bank, the muffler shop called me and said, hey, your Mustang's done. You can come pick it up. And I was like, all right, cool. So I wasn't able to give you guys a startup until right now. And honestly, guys, this is the first time for me too. So let's go ahead and hear how she sounds now with the new setup. Oh yeah, she sounds amazing.